Hey friends, I have some incredibly exciting news to share with you today. So, how would you like to set sail on the crafting adventure of your lifetime? Introducing the Crafty Cruise Getaway, a one of a kind experience where you can join your favorite creators from 5 YouTube channels for a relaxing and dreamy Caribbean getaway. Imagine spending 5 days surrounded by turquoise Caribbean waters, white sandy beaches, and fellow craft enthusiasts like yourself. It's the ultimate crafting getaway you will remember forever. You'll have the chance to meet and greet each YouTube creator in person. Picture yourself chatting, sharing ideas, taking selfies, laughing, and making memories, all while being inspired by their creativity firsthand. Various live crafting sessions will be held where each creator will guide you through unique and exciting projects. You'll be able to learn new techniques, discover fresh ideas, and take your crafting skills to the next level. Oh, and did I mention the fantastic onboard amenities? Enjoy world-class dining, luxurious accommodations, and many exciting activities to entertain you throughout the cruise. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to connect, create, and cruise with some of the most talented crafters on YouTube. Due to limited space, head on over to our website, craftycruisegetaway.com, for more information on reserving your spot. Be sure to subscribe to all the participating channels for updates and exclusive content leading up to the event. I can't wait to see you on board the Crafty Cruise Getaway.